Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about gorgeous chin length wavy bobs for women. A wavy bob hairdo is such a cute and trendy choice. It gives off and a fun and carefree vibe while still looking stylish and put together. You can use a texturizing spray to enhance the waves and add some volume to your bob. Don't forget to tousle your hair a bit for that effortless beachy look. For enhancing the waves in your wavy bob hair, you can try using a sea salt spray or a wave enhancing moss. These products help define and accentuate the natural waves in your hair, giving you that beachy textured look. Simply apply the product to damp hair, scrunch it gently, and let your hair air dry or use a diffuser on low heat for more defined waves. These products will help you achieve those beautiful efforts waves in your bob hairstyle. So viewers, let's end the video here. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell.